Today I'm going to be unboxing this Sylvanian Families log cabin set that includes 2 hammocks. Well, this house seems to be really cool and wooden. I love the way they made it, and it's also connectable. I also bought a 3-story tree house to connect them together, and I'll show you the connection in my next videos, but now let's take a look at our box. So first I'm gonna show you the color side of our box. As I got the chocolate rabbit family, the grey striped cat family, and the silk cat family decided to visit this vacation home. They came here in this red car. Now they have fun with the baby's ride and play set and some other sets inside of our house. On this side you can see the connections of this house and other Sylvanian Families sets. Here we can see the family saloon car and the 3-story tree house. Children can use the slide to go from the tree house to the log cabin. I think that's really cool. Put the slide in the hot tub to create an exciting water slide. The slide is included with the tree house. On the back side we can see what you can do in this log cabin. You can use this porch as a porch for table and benches, or take a shower inside of it like this. You can watch the stars from the balcony, turn on the light in the dark evenings, and relax on these hammocks. So these are all of the contents that the set includes: the house itself, the ladder, the shower, 2 hammocks, some fences, and the porch with the hot tub. And now let's finally open our box. It opens easily. So here are instructions. Well, we got this cardboard with hammocks, fences, and ladder, I guess. This piece of cardboard with, I guess, with the storybook, the collection catalog, and the porch. And here is finally our house. So now let's take out our log cabin. Wow, it looks so cozy. Let's take this cardboard piece out of here. Just look at this chimney. So now let's cut off the tape. So here is the storybook, premium fan club leaflet, and the collection catalog. Well, now I'm going to show you the pictures in this storybook that goes "Gift from a Shooting Star." Here is the text, more text, and the first picture. Now let's take a look at this premium fan club leaflet. Wow. Membership includes all of these exciting goodies. I don't think there is any actual information here. It's just a vintage leaflet. Now I'll show you the pictures in this collection catalog. I guess it's the collection catalog for about 2018 probably. There aren't any pieces here. Well, I have already finished the assembly and I'll show you the completed set. Please let me know in the comments if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye!